Hi guys, it's Miss Heinert again. Yesterday we worked really hard on figuring out a problem for our story. I think the problem is probably one of the hardest things to think about. But today it gets a lot easier because we're going to create a solution to the problem that we already have. So this should only take you like maybe 1, 2 sentences at the most. Let's go see what our solution is going to be to Molly's problem. So let's read our story one more time. Once there was a dog named Molly. She is brown and she is nice. Molly lived with her family on a farm. One day, Molly noticed that her bone was missing. She asked all of her friends, and none of them had seen it. After searching day and night, no one could find Molly's bone. Well, I'm pretty sure you guys can guess a solution to a missing bone, and that would be that you find the bone. So now I have to think about how are they going to find the bone? And I think I have a perfect solution. Listen to this. Suddenly, I always love to use that word. Suddenly, the barn cat saw something poking up from the flower bed. It was the bone. And I'm going to put an exclamation mark because that's super exciting. It was the bone. Okay, that's all we have to do today. We just have to come up with a solution to our problem that we came up with yesterday. So far, you should have the character, the setting, the problem, and solution. And then tomorrow, Miss Walker is going to work with you on what the ending of your story is going to be, and then you get to illustrate it, and you're done. So remember, hold on to your story every time we finish. So you're going to hold on to the story today so that you can finish it tomorrow. All right, see you guys later.